got a stink bug and it smells really bad. I don't know why I started off the video with a burp though. And I'd rather put the stink bug to good use rather than it being eaten by my dogs. So just quick vid about me feeding my Nepenthes Miranda stink bug. Alright. Oh, I just dropped it somewhere. Oh, got it. No, wrong direction, sir. Now you're crawling on my finger. Let's try now. It's got pretty good grip. I don't know if it can stay like that forever. It's trying to get away. Oh, now it just fell on the camera. Alright, final take. Hopefully. And the stink bug. Okay, final attempt. I'm trying to get it off of my finger. Is it recording? Yes, it is. Oh, and he's in there. This plant has eaten 2 stink bugs in my possession. I love my Miranda. I hope you can see what's in there. Need to tilt it a little more. I can see the fluids. I don't know how well you can see it, but that is 2 stink bugs, a wasp, and some random gnats that just fly around in my plant section of my bedroom. Thanks for watching, and leave a like and subscribe. So, yes. Goodbye.